Hey, let me show you the best features and functions of the Marshall Major 5 headphones. And first of all, we are starting from the features that we can find on the headphones. And first of all, we can actually find the headphone jack. So it actually means that we can use this headphones wired. And this headphone jack is actually in the box, so you don't have to buy this cable. And the second feature is actually available also on the right headphone. And right here, you can find the wireless charging. So when you put this headphone like this on the wireless pad or inductive charger, you will actually find that this indicator will be turned on and your device will start charging. And the last feature of the headphones we can find right here. There's the M button that we can customize. So let me show you now other functions that we can find when we connect this device into the application, because we can actually do this. You can download this application from the App Store or, for example, from the Play Store if you are using Android devices. So now when you are connected and open application, you get access to a lot of options. First of all, it will be the equalizer. So here you can find the Marshall sound that you cannot change, but when you go here, you can actually find 1, 2, 3, 4 default preset and the custom one, so you can set it up to your own preferences. Now when we go back from this one, we can also find this M button that I just mentioned. So we can find the Spotify tab, equalizer, and we can wake the voice assistant. Another option is the interaction, but maybe that's not actually very interesting. And yeah, I guess that's all. So this is actually all features, the most interesting features that you can find on this device, on the Marshall Major 5. So if you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel.